starting together. You're learning to live with all my faults. We start